Rustic wooden picture frame. Materials needed. A piece of reclaimed wood or a wooden board of your choice. Size depends on the desired frame dimensions. Miter saw or hand saw. Sandpaper, rough and fine grit. Wood glue. Clamps. Picture frame hangers or D-ring hangers. Picture or artwork to frame. Varnish or wood finish of your choice. Soft cloth or brush for applying the finish. Start by measuring and marking the dimensions of your picture frame on the wooden board. Determine the size of the frame based on the picture or artwork you want to display. Use a miter saw or hand saw to cut the wooden board into 4 equal pieces, each with a 45-degree mitered cut at each end. Make sure the angles are accurate to ensure a tight and seamless fit when assembling the frame. Once you have all 4 pieces cut, use sandpaper to smooth the edges and surfaces of each piece. Start with rough grit sandpaper to remove any rough spots or imperfections, then switch to fine grit sandpaper for a smoother finish. After sanding, wipe away any sawdust with a clean cloth. Lay out the 4 frame pieces to ensure they fit together properly. If needed, make any adjustments to ensure the corners align perfectly. Apply a small amount of wood glue to each mitered corner and assemble the frame. Use clamps to hold the corners tightly together and allow the glue to dry according to the manufacturer's instructions. Once the glue has dried, remove the clamps and inspect the frame for any gaps or unevenness. Sand the corners lightly if needed to achieve a smooth and seamless joint. Apply a varnish or wood finish of your choice to protect and enhance the natural beauty of the wood. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for applying and drying the finish. After the finish has dried, attach picture frame hangers or D-ring hangers to the back of the frame. Make sure they are securely fastened and positioned evenly for proper hanging. Insert your chosen picture or artwork into the frame and secure it using appropriate methods such as gluing, taping, or using framing points. Your rustic wooden picture frame is now ready to be displayed and admired. You can create multiple frames of different sizes and finishes to add a personalized touch to your home decor. Remember to prioritize safety by wearing appropriate protective gear and using caution while working with tools.